Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a giraffe using a Rubik snake. So at first we're going to turn the Rubik snake back into its original shape, which is quite easy. The giraffe is not that hard to create. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the tail of the giraffe, and actually it's a real small tail, and then you don't need that much space for the legs of the giraffe because you need a real long neck, because it's a giraffe and it has a real long neck. So we're first going to create the legs of the giraffe, then we're going to create the back. We need some space between the legs, so we're going to rotate this twice, then create a pair of legs, so like this. And actually your giraffe's almost ready, because as you can see you get a real long neck, and because of the gray and black it actually looks like a giraffe as well. But you have to rotate for the head of the giraffe the top two twice. So as you can see, you've now created a real nice giraffe. Hi everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial on how to create this nice bowl on your Rubik's Twist or on your Rubik snake. To explain to you how I created this bowl, I have to bring the Rubik's Twist in its original shape. So it's back in its original shape. So this is a Rubik's Twist or a Rubik snake, and what you have to do to create a bowl, you have to position your snake like this, so this facing down, and you push the first triangle, you push it away from you like this, and then you can count 1, 2, and you pull it towards you. And now just this one also towards you, and then 1, 2, and this one away. And as you can see, your snake now has, well, sort of a head, but this is the start of the bowl. And what you now do, so the next step is bring this one a bit towards the other one, and now you can create the first part of the bowl, and you can connect this and this by just pushing it towards each other. And as you can see, you now got a small part of the bowl, and you just continue working on the bowl, creating the same figures as you do right now. So you want to work towards this triangle, so we create a flat spot here, then we push this one, and we know we want to connect this black one to that one, and it is a bit impossible, but if you flip this and then start bringing it up, you've got them connected, and that's something that you keep on doing. So now you want this part to be connected, so you bring this one up. You can count 2, you bring this one towards you, and then you can rotate it together. You can connect it. Again, we continue on building the bowl. So this one is open, so you go to that one, 1, 2. So we bring this one up. Sorry. So it feels a bit messy when you're working on it, but actually it is quite simple once you get the hang of it. So like this, then the last piece, you can connect them, and then you can rotate this one, connecting the complete bowl. And as you can see, I've now created a complete bowl. Actually, the first step, you need to take some time for the first step, and after that, the bowl comes out of itself. So it's quite an easy trick. I hope this tutorial was useful, and you are now able to create this bowl yourself. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create an elephant using the Rubik snake. You can start creating the elephant at the back of your, well, this is the hose, it's a little bit difficult to get on camera, but you start with the back of the elephant, so, and his legs. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna twist like this piece up here, and we're gonna bring it up. And as you can see, we've now created the legs of the elephant, the back part of the elephant. I'm going to create another one here. So this is the total body of the elephant, and now we're going to create his head, and we're going to create it from the back towards ourselves. And what you can do is you can twist this corner once, then we're going to rotate this. Actually, if I done it right, sorry, I have to twist this one, so like this. Then we're gonna rotate this once towards you, and actually this is the first piece of the back of his head, and we're gonna create 3 more pieces over here. So to do that, twist this, bring that one in here, so rotate this so twice, so 1, 2, rotate this once, and as you can see, these two join together, and you have to fix it here, so rotate this once, bring it down, this all fits in here, and bring it up again like this, create another layer of that, sorry, wrong way, so like this, and now you can create the last piece of your elephant, rotating it like this, and just once. And as you can see, you've created a real nice elephant. Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a dog shape with your Rubik's snake. At first we're going to turn the snake into one big string again. The dog shape is actually quite a simple shape, and it doesn't matter if you start with the tail or if you start with the head. Today I'm going to start with the ears, so the ears should be positioned like this, and then so I'm going to rotate it. So we start with the ears, and then we have to create the head. So we create it like this. So it's a little bit hard to bring it all on camera, but as you can see, you've now created the head of the dog, creating his neck, bringing it down all the way up to his legs. So his legs, we're going to start here with the legs, creating 2 legs, and its back, and we need 1 triangle space between the legs, so I'm going to bring this down, create another pair of legs, bringing it up, and as you can see, his tail. So we've now created a real nice dog. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you next time. So you're going to start with your Rubik snake as one big string, and actually the butterfly is quite easy to create. And what you do is you start with the third one, and well, third or second, you're going to roll it like this, rotate it like this, so twice, and then again this one twice going up. So this is the bottom part of your butterfly, then 1, 2, and you want this on top, so you want the black one on top, rotate it twice like this, bring it down like this, so connect. So these are squares, and then create a 90 degrees angle like this, bring it up again, and to create an even wing. So this is one wing from the butterfly. To create an even wing, we're going to rotate this twice, bringing it down, matching it up, and like this we have just created a real nice butterfly. So I hope you've enjoyed this shape of your Rubik's snake, and see you next time in the next tutorial. Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a swan. At first we're going to bring it back into its original shape, so we can start at the beginning. So, one moment. As always, this cube is really hard to bring it all on camera, but it works like this. Actually, you start with the head of the swan, so turning this twice creates a head. And this is the neck, so we're gonna rotate this one. So you need 2 at the front, and then rotate this. Oh, sorry. Rotate this once, so we can start. This is the front side, and as you can see, it's now beginning to shape. So rotate this once, then you need 2. Bring this one up, just once, bring it up, bring that one down, create an edge over here, connecting these 2 together, bring it down. So this seems like it doesn't fit, but if you turn this away, it nicely fits in. And then connect it again here, bring it together, and now you can just adjust the tail like this, and actually you've created a real nice figure. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a frog using your Rubik's snake cube. First we're gonna bring it back to its original shape, so we can start like you probably want to start. Actually, I think this is quite a difficult figure to create, but we'll just try it and see how it works. So the first step you want to do is divide your hose or your string into two pieces with an angle of 90 degrees. So like this, you've divided it in 2 with an angle of 90 degrees. Then bring this one up towards you and this one as well. And what you've now done is you've created the head of the frog. So this is the head and this is its body. And you can now start creating the rest of your frog, starting with 1 pair of legs. So you bring this one down like that. Bring it down again. Rotate this so it's underneath that one. And actually what you do, you need this one to rotate like this. So you got it like this now. And you can push this so it matches up with the body of your frog. Then you can bring this down twice and you've created the first half of your frog. And you can just do it the same. You can try to copy it from the other side if you want to. So like this. Bring this one. One moment. Bring this one down like this, I think. This, bring it down, rotating this, bring it up. Oh, almost there. As you can see, you've now connected it, and now bring that one down, creating the front legs of your frog. And actually, as you can see, you've now created your frog. So hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and see you again next time.